Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Today out from the collection we have a very unique car in a 1969 Boss 302. They produced 1,628 of these in 1969, and the name Boss actually come from one of the engineers, Larry Shinoda, kept being asked by his co-workers, "What are you working on?" He said, "The Boss's project," and the name Boss stuck. This car here is an MCA or Mustang Club of America National Gold winner. We actually have the Marty report and heavy documentation on this car here. This is done in a bright yellow exterior that goes into a black Clarion interior. Part of the package with the Boss 302 was the blacked out hood, the chin spoiler, the blacked out trunk lid, and the taillight panel. The actual rear spoiler and the rear window louvers were an option. This car has a 302 cubic inch, and they did that for the reason is they wanted to compete in the SCCA Trans Am Racing Series, and you could not have larger than a 305 cubic inch. This is a high revving, good running motor that goes into a 4-speed Hurst shifted transmission. These were only available in 4 speeds, and also you could not get air conditioning with these cars. This has the optional 391 traction lock rear end in it into the Magnum 500 Goodyear polyglass tires. We had this car in for annual maintenance. We've got it out today. Gorgeous day, by the way. We're going to do a couple laps on it. We're going to test it, tune it, get it dialed in. We'll detail it out with our 303 products and get it back in the museum. Thanks for watching.